Good day everyone, what's going on? I am Dov from Rent-A-Tool. Now today I want to show you about a machine, a very special machine. It's called a SmartLift SL608 HLERT, which is a glass manipulator. Can take with a different type of suction cups, can take also other material like rough granite and stuff like this. But today I'm going to show you, even though I don't have the actual glass, I'm going to show you on a different type of, and what is the pros, because this machine has no cons. This is just an amazing machine. So let's start, and I'll show you one by one how to work it out. So right here is the on button on the left. Okay, over here you have fast forward and a fast and a slow. Okay, I'm going to start it right here. That is the key. Over here is the compressor. And I'm going to pull this back because right now it's on. It's taking the air. It's sucking the air. So in order for the gauge to go up and to get the right amount of compression, I need to pull it back, which is the compressor itself stops the suction. Okay, so this is basically the control of the suction power. If I'm going to push it back in, it's going to start again because I have nothing on the cups to pull. Alright, so on, make sure that this is on, it stops the compressor. And that's it. Now, let's start to explain how to use this machine. Let's say I wanna pick up a piece. I have over there a piece of metal. I'm gonna start to pick it up, but in a minute. Let's just put this as a safety, because it could take 600 kilogram or 1,320 pounds. I mean, it's the same thing. Now everything is on. Now let's go, and let's say I have a glass standing right here, but I don't have to have a glass standing right here. I can move it, and I can just take the pin out, take this pin out, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions. I'm gonna put it as usually people installing glass. Like you saw, this installation is gonna be this way, not this way. So I just moved it. Okay, over here is just connected like to a truck or something like that. Now I'm just gonna move a little bit further, like this. It's like a pallet jack, like electric pallet jack, back and forth. Okay, now over here, what's amazing about this thing is the RT. It's the rotating frame. What happens is I'm pressing here. It's like a round arrow. I'm gonna press here, and as you can see, this thing turns around and it turns all the way, any way you want. So you can play with the glass any way you want. Okay? Now let's put it back into place. Now I have a little bit, it's off. If it's a little bit off, I can go right here. There is an arrow to the left or to the right. I can just move, and this whole machine moves this way. As you can see, it moved all the way. Now it should move down the way. Just gonna put it in the middle, just the best way. Now, the actual weight that you can carry on it varies by the amount, the pounds, and varies how high and how far you're extending the boom. Now, boom up. I want to go up. I'm going to go like this. Okay, that's the top arrow. Now look about this amazing thing. It's going to tilt. This is like a half round arrow that just goes and makes the machine go like this. Now, I want to extend the boom. I'm going to go here. Now if the boom goes up and then it extends, it has almost full capacity. But if you're going to extend it and have the glass standing right there, you're not going to be able to carry 1,300 pounds. It drastically lowers the capacity of the machine. Just going to take it back, and now I'm going to show you how to put a piece of glass. But in my right now, in my position, I have only a piece of metal. But you're going to see how amazing it works. So I'm just going to take this piece of metal, and I'm going to turn on the suction right here. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you is that this one is adjustable. You can go here, you can go here. Let's say you want to take a smaller piece of glass, you're going to do here, you're going to go here. You're going to make sure that it's tight, and it's right here. This one, I'm going to make it, oh, I need to untighten it. Go here, yada yada. Now here I can take it off. I can take it down also. Right here. It's adjustable, everything. Now take a look at this, okay? This is the blue one, this is the red one. If you want to put glass only on one of them or only on two of them, okay? You gotta make sure that the blue and the blue over here on the other side is also in the same spot. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. So what am I gonna do now is I'm gonna take this piece. In order for it to stick, I'm gonna take this piece of metal and I'm gonna put it like this. Why? Because if not, it's not gonna stick. So give me a second. Let me turn on the suction cups, and you'll see how amazing it is. This thing. Let me just push this higher. See, why am I doing it like this? As I said, the blue and the blue. One blue here, one blue in the bottom. Now, if I want the compressor to stop working, that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to disconnect this one. And now, it's going to stop working because this one doesn't take any more pressure. Yeah, wait a second. It's going to stop in a second. And now it takes only this. See, you can't take anything down. Boom, boom, boom. And I think I went through all of the amazing stuff over here. It's you just connect it to the, and you have 8 hours of work connected to the electricity. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this one off. Marvin, can you please help me out? Take this one. Hold it. Hold it. All right. And now it's off. And that's it. Now let me fold this a little bit and put it back. Put it back like this, and you'll see how amazing it goes. It gets out of the door without any issue. With no issue at all. We have a 32 inch door, and we just adjust this a little bit. Oh, this one, you just go here. This whole thing are cooling now. Put it back. And Push everything down. Fold it nicely. And take a look how amazing it goes out of the door. Let me open the door a second. Connect this hose. Don't forget, you need tool rentals. It's Rent-A-Tool. You can call us 718-954-5706. We serve New York, New Jersey, and we serve with Smile. You can send us an email, sales@rentattoolny.com. And you can get this machine and many others to come.